Welcome. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to enable stickers so they appear in your autocomplete results on Discord. This will make your chat experience smoother, more expressive, and a lot more fun. Let's get started. First, open your Discord app on your phone or tablet. Once you're on the main screen, look toward the bottom right corner of your screen and tap your profile icon. That's where your user settings are located. Next, tap on the small gear icon labeled Settings. This will take you to a long list of options that control how Discord behaves on your device. Don't worry, everything we need is just a quick scroll away. Now, scroll down until you find the Chat section. Tap on it to open the Chat settings menu. Here you'll see several options that help you customize how your messages, emojis, and stickers appear while you type. Keep scrolling until you see an option called Sticker in Autocomplete. By default, this feature might be turned off, which means stickers won't automatically show up when you type related words or emojis. To fix that, simply toggle the switch next to Sticker in Autocomplete to turn it on. Once the switch is enabled, Discord will start showing sticker suggestions while you type, just like how emojis and GIFs